Hey, my friend, DK here. Welcome to the channel. It is that very exciting time, my friend. myEcon has just unveiled their new product for 2025, and it is now live in your members area. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through not only how to use it, but I'm also going to give you the commission breakdown so you can understand roughly how much it's going to cost and how much money you are going to make. And also, most importantly, we're going to talk about what this product can do for you. I'm very, very excited about this, as this new product with myEcon is very close to some of the personal things that I love about home-based business, and that is saving massive amounts of money on your taxes. And if you're not familiar with really having a home-based business and having your taxes done the right way, you can qualify for up to 200 tax deductions per year as a home-based business owner. If you're not taking advantage of that, then you're really leaving some huge amounts of money on the table. And here's the thing too, and most people don't even realize or understand this either. As a home-based business owner, you don't even have to make money in order to save massive amounts on your taxes, as long as you are showing that you are attempting to make a profit. In other words, you're out there marketing your business. Even if you don't make a sale, it doesn't matter. As long as you're attempting to make a profit, you can save huge on your taxes. And that's where myEcon comes into play and is very beneficial to you as a business owner with myEcon. It's taking advantage of all of these different products and services that are available to you to help you make and save more money. Now, let's get into it. I know you're here obviously wanting to find out more about this new product, what it is, how to get started, how to use it, what's in it for you, all of those things. So let's dive into that right now, okay? In your members area, right in your BMC home right here, okay? As you go into my products, it's not in the product carousel yet. I'm sure we're going to see that very, very soon. The product carousel is this, these graphics that you see right in front of you. But if you go here to my products, okay, you just hold your cursor over that. You're going to see right here where it says tax preparation, okay? Click on that. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to go through this right now, okay? And you can start this process, okay? Now, ViroTax, obviously, this is going to be having someone do your taxes for you. That's essentially what it is. And it's all 100% online. You're not going to be walking into, any kind of storefront or anything like that. This is going to be all 100% online. And this is also where you utilizing the myEcon services, something like the cash flow manager, where you're keeping track of all your business and personal expenses. So that way, come tax time, it's going to be very simple and easy for you. As an example, for me, I am a big fan of American Express, and I have an American Express business account. All of my business expenses go onto my American Express business card. At the end of the year, I have a file, either an electronic file, a CSV file, whatever you want to call it, and I literally just give that file to my tax professional, and it makes keeping track of all of my business expenses all in one spot, just like myEcon and their cash flow manager, okay? So to learn more about this, you can click on this, and I'll give you a quick overview here. Obviously, and I'll read this for you here. Thank you for choosing ViroTax as your trusted tax partner. Our seasoned tax professionals are committed to delivering personalized, efficient, and accurate tax services tailored to your unique needs. Your financial peace of mind is our priority. Complete the form below and get started filing your tax return with ViroTax. So again, this is going to be a way for you, and I think this is a perfect marriage with myEcon, and taxes is something that goes hand in hand with home-based business. And now having this built into the myEcon membership platform is just absolutely perfect. So to get started, very, very straightforward. You're going to go through here, fill out your personal information, and then you're going to start the tax filing process. Now, I'm going to do another video where when I go to do my taxes, at the time of this video, it's still 2024. So when I do my 2024 taxes in 2025, in other words, in about another 30 to 60 days or so, I'm going to actually record a video going through this process, and I'm going to record the entire thing. So that way we could really demo how this whole thing works. But if you want to obviously see it for yourself, you can get yourself in here. So that's essentially how you get started. You just fill out the personal information, you hit submit, and then you would start uploading or submitting your tax information. That part is pretty straightforward. So That is essentially how you get started, how you start using the ViroTax service, which again is the new product that is available inside of your myEcon members area. This is brand new for 2025. This didn't exist until literally about a week ago. So there you go. It is now live. Now, next thing, let's talk about the commissions. Let's talk about having your taxes done, how much that normally costs, and how much you can make using this product. Okay. So, on average, depending on the user, depending on you, the individual, it's going to cost roughly around $200 to $250 to have your taxes done. And again, someone who has been full time in the home based business area as myself for the last 8 years, I can tell you that about $200 to $250 is a good cost for the average tax professional to do your taxes. Now, I would not recommend having your taxes done like doing it yourself, trying to use things like TurboTax or any of that sort of stuff. I would even recommend not going to a place like Jackson Hewitt or H&R Block, because a lot of the folks there, they're used to standard tax returns and they may not be as familiar with home-based business. Okay. But let's just say ballpark here, it's going to cost you about $250 to have your taxes done, which is a very, in my opinion, again, coming from someone that's been doing this for many, many years, $250 is, very fair. Okay. Especially for a home-based business owner, because you're not just filing taxes for your job, you're also filing additional tax deductions, write-offs as a home-based business owner. So there's more to it. It's a little more complex of a tax return compared to just a standard, W-2 at the end of the year. You got more going on. So anyway, if you do the tax return through ViroTax and you pay about $250, okay? So if once the $250 is paid, and again, we're using that as an average, and it might vary based on the user, but we're going to use a round number, $250. Once that is paid and that fee is collected, then $80 is paid back to the field, okay? Of that $80, I'm going to give you a breakdown right now, okay? 65% of that $80 is paid directly to the referring member. So in other words, if I refer Catherine and Catherine uses ViroTax, okay, I'm going to get 65% of that $80. Now, let's break it down a little further. So remember, of that $80, okay, that is paid out to the entire field. Usually it's about 6 levels deep, okay? So 65% is going to go to the referrer, 15% goes to an infinity, 5% goes to a platinum, 2% goes to a gold. If there are multiple generations of infinities, they get 3%. So there's the total breakdown. Again, I would not, quote me on that. Those are the rough numbers that I was given a little while ago. So I wanted to share that with you so you can see and understand the commission structure with this new ViroTax program that is inside of myEcon. So obviously, if you have any questions for me, I left my number right at the top of this video, also in the description down below, or you can obviously drop a comment here on this video. But there you have it, my friend. The new ViroTax program is available right now for you to get started in your myEcon members area. I would strongly recommend that you utilize this tax service. I'm going to be utilizing this tax service and making the most out of everything that you have access to inside of your myEcon membership. And as I go ahead and go through that tax process with ViroTax, I'm also going to be filming and recording that, and I'll have a complete video laid out. And I want to show you and walk you through how simple the process is as we go through and we do our taxes for 2024. So again, if you have any questions, drop a comment or shoot a text to the number you see right on your screen. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you're not already in myEcon, you can do that for literally less than $20. Links in the description down below. Also, if you want to see more information about me or my team and how we offer over $10,000 in free value, everything you need just for activating your myEcon business, those links are also in the description down below. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, ring the bell to get notified anytime I upload new content so you will be the first to know. Thanks, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.